So you're willing to connect your OpenClaw directly into Telegram. Let's see what we can actually do. First of all, to get started is that you need to create an actual bot with the bot father. So first things first, let's navigate directly into Telegram. So when you open Telegram and searched for, in this case, let's say for example, search for the verified bot father account, this is where every Telegram bot is born. So I'm gonna go for search. Let's go for bot father, and here is my actual bot father. So we can hit for the option that says start. Inside here, what I needed to do is to go for new bot to create an actual new bot. Now a new bot, how are you going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Give it an actual name and a unique username that must end with bot. For example, let's say Jarvis bot. So here it is. Okay, so let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot, like this, for example, Tetris bot or Tetris bot. Let's say, for example, that I go for Tony bot. So if I can try with something else, for example, let's say the Tony D bot. And if not, I can try with something else, for example, like this, and see if this one is not available. Now I have my new bot. I will find this directly inside Telegram. Here I can now add a description, about sections, and the profile picture to the bot, see help with list of comments, by the way, blah blah blah. Use the token to access the HTTP API and keep my token secure and store it safely. Can be used as anyone to control your bot. You can use this in this case freely. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be using this bot anymore. So basically here the bot father will give you an API token, so I need to configure this directly into the OpenClaw. So if you're using the CLI, run this command with your token. If you're using the web UI, you can go directly into the OpenAI. And basically, once again, you can restart the gateway. Your bot is now listening, but for secure reasons, it won't talk to you yet. So for making the payment, as I just told you, we can create a token in bot father, and to configure the token and DM policy, here is the actual prompt that you needed to add directly inside the OpenClaw. You can find more information about docs.openclaw.ai/channels/telegram, or you have the link down below in the description so you can check it out how you can actually get started. Now Telegram does not use OpenClaw channels login Telegram, configure token and configure environment, so then start the gateway. To start the gateway and prove the flows, here's an actual author prompt that you can use for the coding, and then add the bot directly to an actual group, and you're actually good to go. A pro tip that I can give you is that since you are into Telegram, the best use case is managing your Google applications. With the nowadays Google Workspace CLI, OpenClaw can now fetch files from your Drive or draft emails for your Windows without even touching your actual computer. So this is just like a really easily solution how I can actually use this specific bot, so I can add it directly inside my Telegram using the actual OpenClaw. If you have any question about how to add on a specific channel, for example, let's say that I wanted to add WhatsApp directly with my OpenClaw, you can go back again into the docs OpenClaw.ai channels, and inside the channel section you can see more information about how we can get started with a quick setup. So as you can see, here are the elements here, what you can allow, the link WhatsApps, the start the getaways, and much more, with all of different elements that we can add directly into OpenClaw. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.